Good morning, students. We are studying Unit 7, that is Sources of Business Finance. So, yesterday I had given you meanings and definitions of various sources of business finance, which are shares. Shares may be of two types: equity shares, preference shares. Then it is retained earnings. I have given you meanings and definitions of all these terms yesterday. Hope you are clear about that. Then the third one is debentures or bonds, which is the borrowed fund. Then is GDRs, which is global depository receipts. Then comes ADRs, which are American depository receipts. Then is IDRs, which is Indian depository receipts. Then comes public deposits, trade credit, ICDs, and commercial bank and financial institutions. ICDs are intercorporate depositories, right? So these are the various sources of business finance. You have to see the definition, the meaning, what they actually mean, कैसे उसमें करना होता है, उसका अभी आपको मीनिंग समझने की ज़रूरत है, and then we'll classify them. All right, we'll have to study all these sources in detail, but that will do later. For now, you need to understand their meanings, their concept, and today let us classify them. So, how are we going to do classification of business finance? That can be done on the basis of time period, then it can be done on the basis of ownership, and we can even classify the business finance sources on the basis of source of generation. How do we raise the funds? क्या सोर्सेज हमारे होते हैं, उसके बेसिस पे भी इसको क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं. सो वेरियस सोर्सेज, वो मैंने उसकी आपको समरी ऑलरेडी आई हैव गिवन यू, एंड आई हैव गिवन यू मीनिंग्स ऑल्सो फॉर यू टू नो व्हाट दे एक्चुअली मीन. Let's now classify them. The first one on the basis of time period. So classification of business finance on the basis of period is, they can be classified as long-term business finance, which is greater than 5 years. Then comes medium term business finance, which is greater than 1 year but less than 5 years. तो 1 साल से ज़्यादा और 5 साल से कम, इट मे बी 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 4.5 years, इतने टाइम पीरियड का जो हमारे बिजनेस को के फिनेंस का जो सोर्स होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं मीडियम टर्म बिजनेस फाइनेंस. And the short term, which is less than a year, maybe 6 months, 8 months, maybe 15 days, 1 year से कम का जो होगा, that be called short term business finance. All right, so let us now see in 3 टाइप में किस किस टाइप के हमारे sources finance के आते हैं. Long term finance, that may be equity shares, retained earnings, hope you understand the meaning. Like the revenues which are generated out of business functions, business operations. So some part of the profit is distributed among the shareholders, and some part can be retained for investing again in the business. That is what we call as retained earning. तो वो हमारा किस में आएगा, लॉन्ग टर्म में. दैट अर्निंग इज रिटेन्ड फॉर इन्वेस्टिंग इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट. Then comes preference share, that too is a long-term financial source. Debentures, then loans from financial institutions, loans from commercial banks. All these sources are long-term sources of business finance. Then comes medium term. In medium terms we have loans from commercial banks. Commercial bank से तो हम different terms के ले सकते हैं, long term भी ले सकते हैं. We can even have loan for 20 years. We can go for taking a loan from the bank for 5 years, 1 year. वो तो अलग अलग ड्यूरेशन का मिलता है. तो कमर्शियल बैंक से जो लोन्स होंगे वो तीनों ही टाइप में आएंगे, शॉर्ट टर्म भी, मीडियम टर्म भी, एंड लॉन्ग टर्म भी. Then comes public deposit, that too is held for a medium term. Then loans from financial institution से भी हम लॉन्ग टर्म का भी ले सकते हैं और मीडियम टर्म का भी ले सकते हैं. लीज फाइनेंसिंग, कोई बिजनेस उसको लीज पर आप करा सकते हैं, तो वो भी मीडियम टर्म में आ सकता है. देन इज शॉर्ट टर्म फाइनेंस. हियर वी कैन हैव ट्रेड क्रेडिट. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ट्रेड आपस में जो दो बिजनेस फर्म्स जो हैं वो आपस में क्रेडिट पे दे सकती हैं, बट दैट इज़ ऑलवेज फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म. लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए वो इन्वेस्टमेंट लोग यूजुअली नहीं करते हैं. फैक्टरिंग, banks, as I told you here, banks can give you loan, they can finance your business for a short term also. And commercial paper, that is like in the form of debentures या जो हम financial institution से करते हैं borrow, तो वो भी एक short term के लिए हो सकता है. The other type of classification is on the basis of ownership. Here we can have owners funds and borrowed funds. ओनर्स वी आई मीन द टर्म इज़ क्वाइट सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी कि ओनर्स के जो खुद के जो उसकी सेविंग होगी या उनके खुद का जो पैसा इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, दैट इज़ ओनर्स फंड्स. बोरोड विच हैज़ टू बी taken from outside, which has to be borrowed from outside, external sources. So here we can have, in owners funds we can have equity shares and retained earnings. In the borrowed funds there are debentures, loans from banks, loans from financial institutions, public deposits, lease financing and commercial papers. All these will come under borrowed funds. Next comes classification on the basis of source of generation. अब हम इस बिजनेस फाइनेंस को क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ जनरेशन ऑल्सो. हाउ डू वी रेज द फंड्स, किन किन सोर्सेज से हम फंड रेज करते हैं उसके बेसिस पे भी कर सकते हैं. दैट कैन बी इंटरनल सोर्स एंड एक्सटर्नल सोर्स. सो इट इज़ मोर लाइक ओनरशिप. जैसे ओनरशिप के बेसिस पे हमने किया है, इट इज़ क्वाइट सिमिलर बिकॉज ओनरशिप मीन्स कि ओनर्स का खुद का पैसा. तो हियर इंटरनल सोर्सेज मीन्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. जो इंटरनल उसका सोर्स रहेगा वो ओनर्स के अपनी फाइनेंसिंग जो होगी. एंड एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज विच इज़ फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो that in a way is like which has to be borrowed from outside. So find internal sources as we had seen in the previous type of classification. Here again we can have equity, share capital and retained earnings. That will make internal source of fundraising. The external sources can be financial institutions, loans from commercial banks, preference shares, public deposits, debentures, lease financing, commercial paper, trade credit and factoring. All these will make external sources of raising funds for business operations. So this was about the classification. You have to be clear about each and every term to understand this topic in a better way. So I expect you all to go through each and every type of business finance. You should be clear उसका क्या मतलब होता है. So you should be very very clear about their concept, their meaning, so that we can study that in detail later. This is all for today. Have a nice day, children.